Okay. Turnpike Troubadours, Raw, Rinding Star, Mountain Blues. A Long Way From Your Heart. Long title. Anyways, somebody asked me for this lesson. I got a little bit feedback after I did the 7 and 7 lesson. People, more Turnpike lead stuff. I said, what would you like? So this is kind of a short little solo. It's cool. We'll just break it up in chunks. So the first part is a little bit of a lead-in. It should sound something, it's close to this. Plays it different all the time, so you don't get too tied to the recording. But basically, he's doing, he's doing a run up to the bend that he's going after. So I think it's something like this. Okay, so slide from, on the A string, your 5th string, slide from 5 to 7, and then hit 5th string, or 5th fret of the D string. So, take that exact same idea and go 7th fret of the D string, your 4th string, and then just slide up from 7 to 9, and then hit the 7th fret of the G string, the 3rd string. So you have, and then go to the 12th fret of the G string, or not the G string, sorry, go to the 12th fret of the D string, your 4th string, slide from 12 to 14, and then hit the 12th fret of the G string. So, sorry, I'll slow it down. Okay, then do a full step bend on the 14th fret of the G string. And then with your pinky, grab the 15th fret of the B string, and but he kind of does, it's like, that's how it's not, you don't bring it down, there's no, it's, oops, sorry. Okay, so all together. Okay, so you're ending on just the 14th fret of the G string with a little vibrato. Then you go to this super fast part. Okay, so hammer on and pull off on the G string from 4 to 5. And then also hit the 5th fret of the D string. And then you just repeat that a bunch of times. It's like, okay, and you'll feel when it goes back. So, okay, so after, go do a big bend on the 14th fret of the G string, full step bend, and hit, include in that, you should be playing both strings, you should play your B and G string. So 12th fret on the B string, 14th fret, full step bend on the G string. So it's, right, classic thing to do in rock, blues, and country. But, so, okay. And 12 on the G string, 14 on the D string, slide from 14 to 16 on the D, or on the G string, and then hit the 17th fret of the B string. So, give it a little vibrato. So all together, really slow, we have Okay, and then there's this last part. Okay, and that is open E. So this open E, 3rd fret of the E string, 5th fret, okay, so then do 2nd fret of the A string, back to the 5th fret of the E string, down to the 3rd fret, give it a little bend down, and then open. And that's it. So just that's it. Hope it's helpful.